How annoying is it when you're on the bus or train, you pull out your AirPods, but one of the AirPods stop working and you receive mono audio? Stay tuned for the full fix. Hey guys, it's Khalid here and welcome back to another video. So this is the first of a new how-to series I'm starting up, and the first video to start this series off is the issue with only playing back audio through one of your AirPods. Now the majority of users who has AirPods usually use it with their iPhone. So in order to fix the one-way audio issue on an iPhone, you go onto settings, then Bluetooth. Near your AirPods you'll see an icon that says I. You tap to forget this device, then tap to confirm. Once that is done, make sure you put both of your AirPods inside the case, wait 30 seconds, then open it again. After that is done, you can press on the button for a few seconds until you see the status light flashing white. So that's the sync button on the back of the case. Then your iPhone should say that an AirPod is close by. You connect, test both the AirPods, and hopefully it should be working fine. Okay, so now moving on to issues being experienced whilst using the AirPods with an Android device. Now with iPhone it should work straight away because it is optimized obviously to work between Apple devices, but with Android it's slightly trickier. So if you do have the problem where only one of the AirPods is working, you go to the case, turn around to the back, and as mentioned previously on the sync button, you make sure you hold it down for at least 15 seconds. Now it has to be at least 15 seconds until you see the lights turn in amber. Once you have seen the amber lights flash, that means that the AirPods have been reset. And if you go through the Bluetooth connection option again and start pairing your AirPods to an Android device, both of the AirPods should start working fine. Just a quick note, hard reset also works on iPhones. Now at this point, if it doesn't work, you might be thinking it's not a software issue anymore, it's a hardware issue and it needs to be sent back to Apple. But hold your horses, before you do that, there are a few more other things you can do, and they're pretty basic checks, but most people do forget how to do that, and when you go to the Apple store, you might look like a bit of a fool, because I have done plenty of times. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you shouldn't have this problem, because when you have your AirPods connected to your iPhone, it will show you the battery percentage for the left and right AirPod. Okay, but that changes once you're using it on an Android device because you don't have any sort of battery indication. So please make sure, although as basic as it sounds, make sure that both of the AirPods are charged. Now the second step is not always guaranteed to work, but if your Android device is having issues connecting to the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can go under network settings and then reset your network connection details. That will erase all your Wi-Fi passwords and reset the Bluetooth. And if you try the pairing process again with your AirPods, then hopefully you should get playback through both AirPods. Now the third one is a slightly difficult one. So when I'm chilling or listening to podcasts, I decide to put my AirPods on and connect it to my Mac Mini. So then I do normally go back to my Android phone and try to connect it, and it's normally working fine. But recently when I tried to connect it back to my phone, only one of the AirPods was working. And I thought, what could be the fix? I decided to forget the device from my Mac, but that still didn't work. And guess what it is? You know, sometimes when people tell you, have you restarted your computer? So what I done, like an hour later, I just turned off the machine, made sure, nothing's running in the background, it's not on standby, and then I started the whole process of connecting the AirPods to the Android phone via Bluetooth, and guess what? I had audio through both of the AirPods. As basic as the instruction sounds, hopefully that should help you resolve issues with only audio playing through one AirPod. If the following steps didn't work, then it's most likely an hardware issue, and do take it down for repair or to an Apple store. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully you got the issue resolved and you found the video informative. If you have any further questions, then please leave it in the comment section below, and if you would like to watch more videos on reviews, how-tos and unboxings, then please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always guys, stay safe, I'll see you in the next one, peace.